Hello foodies! Today I made white rice and a very cheap crab vegetable soup and I thought to share. This simple soup was inspired by somebody gifting me water leaves. I was on a low budget, so I used atagbigbe, otherwise known as dry chili pepper, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and plenty onions. The situation of pepper in Nigeria is not palatable at all. Pepper suddenly became an expensive commodity. So just blend your pepper like the way you are seeing in the video. You can decide to crush yours. There is no one way to cooking. Then prepare your ingredients. We will start by boiling our proteins. So in the pot, add your crabs, fish and pomo. By the way, I bought the crabs for 1k, fish for 500 and pomo for 250 naira. You can see I'm on a very low budget. So season well and allow it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. All the ingredients will be in the video description. And you can also do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to join Nigerian Foodies community. Thank you. This is the time to start making our sauce. So with the pot on fire, you are going to pour in your oil. I used minimal oil here. You can decide to be flexible as much as you want. Remember, there is no one way to cooking. Let it cook for 10 minutes before adding your boiled proteins into it. Mix and check the taste if it requires additional seasoning. Then you season well. I also added crayfish to mine. Let it cook before finally adding your washed water leaves. Give it a stir and let it cook for about 1 minute. Then you can now off your gas. If you find this content useful, please join Nigerian Foodie community by subscribing to this channel and other social media platforms for more content, kitchen inspiration, tips and more. Thank you, I love you and have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye bye.